Okay, let's talk domain and range functions specifically. Definitions. Domain is the set of all the first coordinates of a relation, all the x values, all the inputs. I prefer all the inputs, all the possible inputs of a function. Range is the set of all second coordinates of a function, of a relation, all the y values, all the outputs of a function. I prefer that too, all the possible outputs of a function. We need to learn a little bit about interval notation. It's not real difficult. We find the range of the following. So the range is all the y values. So you're looking from the lowest y value to the highest y value. It won't always be these endpoints. It might be this, if this dipped lower, then whatever the lowest y value is the beginning of your range, and the highest is the end. We're going to go from the smallest value to the largest value. In this case, lowest to highest, but I want to use smallest and largest as our descriptors here. And a closed dot, or our smallest, is 1. We're talking about y values. 1 and 11. Okay? A closed dot means the value is included. An open dot means the value is not included. So in words, y is between 7 and 11, including 7, but not 11. So the first thing we write is the 7, our first number, and it's going to be less than or equal to, because it includes 7, so it can be equal to. And we're talking about a range, we're talking about y. This is where you really got to be careful, whether you're using y or x. If we're talking range, we're talking y. And now we're going to say less than, because it doesn't include, we don't say less than or equal to. Less than 11. Okay? Let's try one with domain. So domain is all the x values, and we're going to go from smallest to largest. Now we're talking our x values. -11 to 6. My smallest is -11. My largest is 6. Okay? Again, closed dot means the value is included. Open dot means the value is not included. So it's like everything up to 6, but not 6. So kind of think about it in words. X is between -11 and 6, not including either. So we've got -11 is less than x, which is less than 6. I see this as x is between -11 and 6. I mean, literally, that's where it's positioned. It's always going to go because we're going from least to greatest, so it's always going to be the less than symbols. We don't use the equal to because we have open dots, so it's equal to, or I'm sorry, it's less than, but not equal to. Okay, your turn to do the range here. Pause it here, work this out, and come back and check your answers. Okay, so you're doing all the y values, and our smallest is -9. Like the endpoints really don't mean anything on this. They'll mean it on the domain, but on the range, we're just looking where does it go to. And this is, does it equal 9? Yeah, it goes all the way down to, -9. And our highest is going to be over here at 4. So in words, y is between -9 and 4. It's going to include, whenever you have this, it's okay. It's going to include -9, but not 4. This ends up meaning nothing over here. We just want vertical distance. So -9 is less than or equal to y, which is less than 4. Like I said, I see that as y is between -9 and 4, and we're including -9. Okay, one more, your turn to do domain. You're finding all the x values. Pause it here, work this one out, and come back and check your answers. Okay, now the endpoints mean something. Our smallest is -7. Our highest, our largest is positive 11. So in words, X is between negative and 7 and 11, and we're including both of them. So negative 7 is less than or equal to X, which is less than or equal to 11. There you go. There is domain and range.